What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Neil K Trades or Neil K Trading. Today I'm coming at you from my mom's house, all the way back at home. I'm not at my apartment right now. Done with everything for Christmas break, so I'm just home for the holidays, and I've just been really taking it easy. I hope you guys have been too. I've just been trading, going to the gym, eating good food, eating nice home cooked meals. So can't complain. Life has been pretty good right now. But yeah, I just want to take you through this trade. This is how I made. I'm just gonna say $5,000 for the thumbnail and for the video, but it's actually 4.7. But I was up 500 or 5,000 on that trade at one point, but took a partial and then ended up taking a trail. I was trailing my stop and just took a full take profit. So yeah, this is my biggest trade that I've taken like on this channel. I have had bigger days than this off of options all the way back in 2022, 2023, and even 2021. But it has been a while since I've managed to hit this kind of number, especially in futures. This is the biggest trade I've ever taken on futures. Definitely not for S&P futures, QQQ, like Nasdaq and S&P options have definitely made me a shit ton, but yeah, I don't want to waste too much time. This is how I made $5,000, and I don't know. I'll have the time in the thumbnail, but let's jump right into this trade. So today we did have FOMC, and one more thing. I apologize if the audio quality is really like bad. I'm just using my laptop audio, everything off my laptop. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So here we have the trade here. So if we look on the 1 minute here, I'd entered like the trade. So okay, before we start anything, we had FOMC or not FOMC. We had CPI at 8:30 a.m. So it did have a huge move up. I decided just to let markets cool off for like an hour or two because I really didn't want to force myself into trading, especially on FOMC. So what I end up doing, just let price do its thing. There's really big movement on the day, so we'd clear sharp move up. So obviously, I want to come down and hit data lows or even this sell side here. So yeah, we didn't get the data wick. We didn't get those that like proper draw, but we did get these lower draws right here. We did tap into these wicks on this candle here. So yeah, this trade did not play out to the maximum potential I wanted it to, but it did play out extremely well for me. I think that was like 150. I don't even know. It must have been like 147. So yeah, this was an extremely choppy trade. This was one of the longest trades I've taken in a long time. So 10:40 I entered, 12:14 I exited. So this was over an hour. So yeah, jumping right into the technicals. I waited for these daily highs to get swept. We did get that sweep, um, but we didn't get an inverse over here, which I was really looking for on this 5 minute. But it's okay. Waited, let price do its thing. Got the inverse. This isn't right. It should be like this. Got the inverse here. I decided to enter that trade. Set stop loss. Like, so I set it at initially at 38 points, but when I seen like all of this movement here, like it was struggling to break down. So I knew we'd take out this buy side one more time, and I could have exited my trade, but if we did take out this buy side and got continuation, then we would have kept ripping on the day. So I was comfortable setting a stop loss of 200 or $2,000 for 50 points. So on two contracts, that's 1,000 per contract, $2,000. So I ended up holding through this. Got a lot of chop. Like we got a CISD here, price came back up. Got another CISD here, and that final CISD that I have marked out here was what price decided to really move with. So after that, it was just pretty much slippage all the way down. But yeah, this was a 5 minute CISD. I know on the 1 minute it would be on this candle, but got the 5 minute CISD, and we closed the 5 minute really well with that CISD, and just in 5 minutes we just gapped down over 100 points on that one candle, and then from there we continued down another 30 something points. I'll have to look at my entries and exits, but yes, overall made 4.7k. I'm just gonna say 5,000 just for the thumbnail. And who knows, maybe data lows will get taken out, but I had taken a partial on this move up, and then when we got this leg back down, I had decided to fully exit the trade. But yeah, it was really long trade, big reward, can't complain. Uh, yeah, this is one of my biggest trades in a while, so I hope you guys can learn something from this. I know a lot of people say you shouldn't trade CPI, but at the end of the day, you gotta have your risk. You gotta have like your own management, and if it plays out, it plays out. If you get stopped out, take it on the chin, take it on your shoulder, and save capital for the next day. So always manage your risk. Be sure to yeah, not only manage your risk, but be sure to have like a set stop in mind. Like if like for example, when we got the CISD here, I like mentally told myself if we don't get good continuation to the downside, I'm gonna close my trade, because otherwise we're just gonna rip back up. Um, Use this as a minor liquidity sweep on this drawn liquidity, and we're gonna continue back up to buy side and just probably chop for the rest of the day. But uh, we got the slippage I wanted, and we continued. So have a set narrative in mind, stick with it. If it gets invalidated by your stop loss, then it's okay. Look at what went wrong, use it as a lesson. But yeah, really good trade overall. Let me know if you guys have any questions about my thought process or anything like that. I'm gonna be opening the Discord sometime this weekend. I know I've been saying this for such a long time, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm just a bad procrastinator when it comes to little projects like that. I'll probably have one of my friends help me out in expediting the process for Discord servers, because we both used to have random servers back in the day, but like Minecraft servers, but those days are far behind us. But yes, be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you found this informative, leave a like and tell me in the comments, and let me know how your trade went on the day. Comment down WLBE, like for break even, or just tell me like your plans for Christmas, what you guys plan on doing. Are you guys trading for the rest of 2025, or are you guys waiting and saving capital for 2026? So yes, thank you so much for watching. Be patient, be humble. I'll see you guys in the next one.